Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video on Kaspa. Wanted to do an update. I should have made an update earlier. I mean, we got some very strong bullish momentum yesterday evening and overnight, but obviously before that it was already very bullish, especially when it broke above this level right here at 13 cents. So I should have probably made a video on it already back then, but I'm a bit late. Hopefully it doesn't matter. Hopefully it can still provide value for you, but that's up to you. Maybe you tell me that it has no value for you and that it's a shitty video. That's fine, all right? Just click away. That's your decision. But no, I wanted to give you my thoughts on Kaspa. I mean, it's been talked about quite a lot. Kaspa, obviously, if you know that, it's a very hyped up crypto in general. Especially, I feel like it's a little bit less right now. Even though if you look at the statistics of how often it's mentioned on X, that's still ridiculous. Like, I believe it's still one of the most mentioned cryptos. Maybe I can check that out real quick. But I believe it's still one of the most mentioned cryptos. This is probably not going to work, and I'm not going to sign in with my wallet in this video. But Kaspa on its own has been doing great. If you look at the open interest right here, so the amount of momentum that's built up, that's amazing as well. The open interest right now is far higher than, for example, the 20th of November when we hit our previous all-time high. So we're at all-time highs right now, and even at this moment, it doesn't necessarily looks like we're slowing down. RSI is a bit high, but that's not the biggest problem. We've had some strong short liquidations. That could be a bit of a problem. The biggest thing is that we just broke above our previous all-time high between 15 and 15.5 cents. It looks quite likely that we'll retest that level. Now, especially because of those short liquidations, the thing is that very often when you see huge short liquidations, which I'm not sure if I would call this huge, but we did get over $400,000 in liquidations in the last, when was this? Overnight. So rest in peace. But that is some sort of a reversal indicator. Usually what happens is that people like whales who trade cryptos, they hunt that liquidity, they liquidate everybody, sell their positions there, and then the price drops down. But at this moment, I mean, with the open interest that Kaspa still has, I give it a fair chance to actually rally much higher. So the key is how we react to 15 and 15.5 cents. That's the level we broke above. That's probably where we liquidated a lot of people. I would say that's the key level. And then the big resistance level, or the next big price target, I mean, 20 cents is the obvious level. There's quite a lot of resistance here at 18.5, so I would say 18.5 conservatively is my next price target, but ultimately it's 20 cents, all right? So at this moment, because of the market circumstances, which overall are still bullish, I mean, I would not call Bitcoin very bullish at this moment, but overall it still is. So that's in combination with the fact that Kaspa at this moment still has a huge open interest, and that's still very bullish, and there also doesn't seem to be that much of a slowdown in that. It's actually still increasing. I would say based on this that it's most likely that Kaspa will continue to go up, so that it holds 15 and 15.5 cents, and that will rally up to 18.5, and depending on the reaction, if there's no strong bearish reaction from there, also 20 cents. I think that's most likely, but I do want to warn you that because of those liquidations, there is a chance, all right? And because Bitcoin is a little bit less bullish as it was, there is a chance that Kaspa drops down to 15 cents and drops down below that. And that would be quite bad, all right? So then we can actually have quite a big drop from current levels of about, I would say a drop of about 20% is possible. So be careful for that. If this happens, I was wrong, because I don't think it's most likely at this moment. I just think it's a possibility, and I think you definitely should know about it. So those are my thoughts. I think that's what you need to know for now. If you do have any questions, of course, let me know down in the comments. You can ask me anything in there. There you can also find more about my premium and signal group if you're interested in that, but that's up to you. For now, thank you for watching. Have a great weekend, and bye.